Okay guys, please understand that we're doing donation over 65 weeks. I'm so proud to say that. Thank you so much for all of you who've been watching. Make sure you stay for the next 3 minutes and watch the video to the end. This time we're going back in Africa, in Ethiopia, and we're helping the poor people every single week. Okay, and the quote of today's video is, you will never change your life until you change something every single day what you're doing. So make sure you're doing something change every day if you want to change your life, right? Don't repeat the same things. All right, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and share and like. Thank you.